Dear students, in the last session, I had explained the hexadecimal number systems and conversions. That means conversion of hexadecimal to binary, binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to decimal number systems, decimal to hexadecimal number systems. But in this session, I will explain ones complement, twos complement, binary addition and subtraction, and also subtraction by using two's complement method. First, ones complement. The ones complement of a binary number is obtained by replacing all ones and zeros and zeros by ones. That means ones by zeros and zeros by ones. Example, find the complement of, that means ones complement of 9 and 24, that is in base 10, that means in decimal number system. For 9, that means the binary equivalent of decimal 9 is 1001. It is in base 2, binary. Its ones complement is 0110. That means ones by, replacing by ones by 0, zeros by 1. For 24, it is in base 10. 24 means 11000. It is in base 2. Its ones complement is 00111. That means replacing by all ones by zeros and zeros by ones. Next, two's complement. Two's complement. The two's complement of a number is obtained by adding 1 to one's complement number. That means two's complement equals one's complement plus 1. First we must do the one's complement. Afterwards, by adding 1, you will get the two's complement. For example, find the two's complement of 23. It is in base 10. That means it is in decimal number system. The given number is decimal is 23. Binary equivalent of 23 is 10111. The ones complement is 01000. That means replacing by 0 to ones, ones by 0. That means two's complement equals, that means two's complement means 01001. That means first we must do the ones complement. Afterwards, by adding 1, you will get this number 01001 is the two's complement of 10111. Next, binary arithmetic. Binary arithmetic is used in digital systems mainly because the numbers are stored in binary format in most computer systems. Next, the 4 basic binary arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. But in your syllabus, the addition and subtraction is there. First, binary addition. The binary system contains 2 symbols. That means they are 0 and 1. While adding 2 binary numbers, the following 4 possibilities, namely 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, and 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. That means it is in base 2. That means the first 3 operations produces a sum whose length is 1 digit. But when the last operation is performed, sum is 2 digits. That means 1, 0. That means 0 is the sum, 1 is the carry. So 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0. It is in base 2. Next example, perform the following using binary addition 25 plus 10. That is, it is in base 10 system. You know, the decimal 25 plus 10, that's equals to 35. This is the OR and this one is the add. So 25 plus 10 equals to, sum equals to 35. 25, the binary equivalent of 25 is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. The binary equivalent of 10 is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. By adding these two, the first column, by adding these two, that means the first column. In the first column, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, third column 0 plus 0 is 0, fourth column 1 plus 1 is 0, 1. In the fourth column, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry. That means 1 plus 1 equals to 1, 0. So, and also 1 plus 1 in the fifth column, 1 plus 1 equals to 1, 0. So, this is the, so this is a sum. The binary equivalent of 35 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. The answer is 35. Next example, add 45 to 19. That means 45 plus 19. It is in base 10 system. That means in decimal number system. You know, the 45 plus 19 equals to 64. This is the binary equivalent of 45. This number is the binary equivalent of 19. By adding these two, we will get this binary number system. So, you know, the first column 1 plus 1 equals to 0. The second column 0 plus 1 equals to 0, 1. That means the second column 0 plus 1. That means 1 plus 1 equals to 0. That means the first column, by adding the first column, the 1 plus 1 equals 0, 1 carry, and 1 plus 1 equals to 0, once again 1 carry. So 1 plus 1 equals to 0, once again 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 0, once again 1 carry. 1 plus 1 equals to 0, once again 1 carry 1 plus 1 equals to 1 0. The answer is 64. Example 3. Perform the following 101.11, it is in base 2, plus 10.101, it is in base 2. So, in the first column, 0 plus 1 equals to 1. In the second column, 1 plus 0 equals to 1. In the third column, 1 plus 1 equals to 0, sum. So, 1 carry, 1 plus 1. So, 1 plus 1 equals 0, 1 carry, 1 plus the same thing, 1 plus 1 equals to 0, once again 1. So, 1 plus 1 equals to 1 0. Next is the binary subtraction. You know, the binary system contains two symbols. They are 0 and 1. While subtracting two binary numbers, the following four possibilities arises. So, 0 minus 0 equals to 0, 1 minus 0 equals to 1, 1 minus 1 equals to 0, and 0 minus 1 equals to 1. That means 2 minus 1 equals to 1. Next example, subtract 101 from 111. You know, 111 is in decimal 7. 101, it is in binary, that means 5. That means 7 minus 5 equals to 2. So, in the first column, 1 minus 1 equals to 0. In the second column, 1 minus 0 equals to 1. In the third column, 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So, answer is 2. Next example, subtract 1010 from 1101. You know, 1010 is a 13, 1101 is the 10. 13 minus 10 equals to 3. In the first column, 1 minus 0 equals to 1. In the second column, 0 in the second column, in the second column, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, that means we have to borrow 1 from the next higher column. We have to borrow from the next higher column. That means 1 0 minus 1 equals to 1. That means 2 minus 1 equals to minus 1. 1. Next, in the third column, we have already taken borrow. So, 0 minus 0 equals to 0. Next, in the fourth column, 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So, answer is 0 0 1 1. That means 3. Next, subtract by using 1's complement. Perform the following: 10111, it is in base 2, minus 10101, it is also in base 2. The 1's complement of this, that means 10101 is 01010. That means replacing by 0 to by 1, 1 by 0. So, the binary equivalent of 23 is 10111. The 1's complement of 21 is 01010. By adding these two, we will get the intermediate sum. That means 0001, but we are getting 1 carry. This carry is added to the intermediate sum. So, 1 plus 1 equals to 0, 1 carry 1. So, 23 minus 21, that's equals to 2 plus 2. That means when the result is positive. That means next, perform the following using 1's complement arithmetic. 21 minus 45, that means 21 base 10 minus 45 base 10. It is in decimal number system. You know 21 minus 45, that's equals to minus 24. So, the the binary equivalent of 21 is 010101. And next, and since 45 base 10 is in negative form, it appears in complemented form. It appears in complemented form. So, by adding these two, you will get 100111, that is minus 24. That means when the result is negative, the answer is not in the normal form, but in the complemented form. Hence, the complement of 100111 equals 011000. It is in base 2, that is 24. If the result is required in the normal form, the answer is once again complemented. Hence, the complement of this one is this. That's equals to 24. When the result is negative, addition does not generate any carry. Hence, there is no question of adding the carry to the intermediate sum. Next, when the result is positive, subtract by using 2's complement. Perform the following: 1, 0, perform the following 10111 minus 10101, it is in base 2. That's 2's complement of 10101 is 01011. So the binary equivalent of 23 is this one. 23 minus 21, that's equals to plus 2. Therefore, by adding these two, that means 1011 1 minus plus 10111. So, in the first column, 1 plus 1 equals to 0 and 1. In the second column, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. That means 3 equals 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, that's equals to 1, 1. So 1, 1. 1 plus 1 equals to, in the third column, 1 plus 1 equals to 0, 1. In the fourth column, 1 plus 1 equals to 0, 1, carry. That means 1 in the fifth column, 1 plus 1 equals to 0 and 1 carry. So when the result is positive, a carry is generated. This 1 is ignored. Since the result is positive, it is in the normal form. This is 2. Next, perform the following using 2's complement arithmetic. 21 minus 45. 21 minus 45 equals to minus 24. So, the binary equivalent of 21 is this one. The 2's complement of this is this one. That means 101101, it's a 45. This is the 2's complement. By adding these two, you'll get this binary number. In the case of adding two negative numbers, when the result is negative, the answer is not in the normal form, but in the 2's complement form. But is it in the 2's complement form? Hence, the 2's complement of 10100 is, that means first you must do the 1's complement, afterward you must add by 1. So, this is the 2's complement of 101. This is the 2's complement is 24. That means if the result is required in the normal form, the answer is once again 2's complemented. Hence, the 2's complement of 101000 equals 01011 plus 1, that's equals to 24. So, when the result is negative, Addition does not generate any carry. Hence, there is no question of adding the carry to the intermediate sum. Thank you.